Take the cap off the mouthpiece. Shake the Autohaler well. Hold upright and push the lever up until it clicks into place. Breathe out completely away from the Autohaler. Place the Autohaler in your mouth and breathe in slowly and deeply. You will hear a click when the medication is released. Keep breathing in until you've taken a full breath. Remove the mouthpiece and hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as you are comfortable, and breathe out slowly through your mouth or nose. Press the lever down. Repeat steps 2 to 7 after 30 seconds, if another dose is required. Replace the cap.